In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the ANSI31 or standard hatch pattern not showing in AutoCAD. Hatch patterns are important parts of technical drawings because they help represent materials, sections, surfaces, and other design elements. Among the most commonly used hatch patterns are ANSI31 and standard hatches, which appear in architectural, mechanical, and engineering drawings. However, there may be times when you apply a hatch and nothing appears on the screen even though AutoCAD confirms that the hatch was created successfully. This can be confusing and may make it seem like the hatch command is not working properly. Fortunately, in most cases, the hatch is actually present in the drawing. The issue is usually related to hatch scale settings, display settings, or the size of the selected area. The good news is that a few simple adjustments can often make the hatch visible again within seconds. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of quick methods to fix ANSI31 or standard hatch patterns that are not displaying correctly. So let's get started. The first method is to adjust the hatch scale. Select the hatch object if it was created successfully. Then open the Properties palette and locate the hatch scale setting. If the scale is too large or too small for the selected area, the hatch may appear invisible. Try reducing or increasing the hatch scale, and then check whether the pattern becomes visible. If the hatch still doesn't appear, try regenerating the drawing. Type regen into the command line and press Enter. This refreshes the display and forces AutoCAD to redraw hatch objects and other geometry. After the regeneration is complete, check whether the ANSI31 or standard hatch pattern is now visible. In most situations, these two methods will solve the problem. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, check the hatch scale and adjust it so the pattern is appropriate for the size of the selected area. Second, use the regen command to refresh the drawing display. And third, verify that the hatch is visible after making the changes. Remember that hatch patterns often appear missing because the scale does not match the size of the drawing area. Even a valid hatch can look invisible if the pattern spacing is too large or too small. Taking a few moments to adjust hatch settings can save a lot of troubleshooting time and help ensure that your drawings display correctly. Using appropriate hatch scales also improves drawing readability and makes it easier for others to understand your design intent. It's a simple fix, but understanding how hatch patterns and scales work can make your AutoCAD workflow much smoother. And that's how to fix ANSI31 or standard hatch patterns not showing in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.